Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just basically showing you the garlic harvest that I had. In the front here is the Russian red garlic. In the center is this is the red Russian garlic. The center is the red German garlic. And at the end is the music garlic. The music garlic, they all basically all of what I planted, they all came up. The red German, some of the garlic had died from what I planted. Well, they had started to grow, but then they had some of them had died. And with the red Russian, I know that I planted more than 3 garlic. I think I had planted 6 or 9, I forget offhand. I'll have to check the other video that I did. But out of all that, I only got 3 of the red Russian. So basically out of all 3, the music one is basically the one that it's performed better, I guess, or basically what I planted, basically all the plants that come up. So another thing that I'm finding strange is basically all the bulbs are coming up small. Well, they're not growing that big. You know, it's the same thing for last year. I don't know if it's because of the soil that I have. Maybe I have to do a bit more compost or something. Or another thing I noticed is the soil is a bit more compact, or it was a bit hard. So maybe I need to somehow fluff it up or keep it less hard. Or I was even thinking of maybe I should mulch it, because I noticed the soil would get dry a lot faster than the normal. So maybe hopefully the mulch would help keep the soil a bit more moist to try to keep to try to get the bulbs to grow a bit bigger. I'm hoping or thinking, but if anyone has any ideas of how to possibly get bigger bulbs on the garlic, please write some stuff in the comments down below, and I'll try to give them a try to get the bulbs a bit bigger. So we just have to basically cut off the roots from here, and I'll probably cut the stems about an inch high from the bulb before you bring them inside. So anyways, thanks for coming and watching, and if you have any tips or ideas of how to get bigger bulbs in garlic, please write below. Talk to you guys in girls later on. Bye bye.